Hey, welcome to the Paige family homestead. I'm just cleaning off. Andy missed his breakfast and we're working out in the garden, hence the hot and sweaty. And he decided he's hungry, so I thought I'd come in and instead of just making him like a sandwich for out in the garden, I'm going to make him a nice little meal using his canned honey garlic chicken wings. We're gonna open it up and show you how we're gonna use it. I cannot open these jars. My hands are ruined. So you want to eat them, you gotta open them for me. The smallmouth I can.
No problem.
Thank you. Hands have been washed. They are so tender, guys. Andy looked at it and says, this does not look appetizing. Not right now. Okay.
There we go.
There is from one. Oh, I gotta wash my hands.
Look at all the sauce, though.
I know. Let's bring this up. Get the rest of the sauce from the jar.
Into there? All the goodness.
Into the pan. Oh, there's some more. That stuff is so jellyless. Jellylicious. I'm not going to wash my hand yet because I got another jar here. Go in with a spoon.
That's why wide mouths are best.
Oh my, I couldn't do this in a smallmouth jar. Maybe next time we won't pack them as
yeah, because they were
full.
Pretty tight.
Oh, you were. And I'm going to turn this to low, please.
She's on low.
Thank you. Now you can say you made dinner lunch. Oh, look at the meats falling off. Maybe we won't pre-cook the next one because they're going to cook in their own juices.
That's what I thought too. So
yeah.
But oh well.
Hey, this is our first.
We're good. We're still going to be good.
Oh, this one, the juices are stuck. But you know what? When we heat them in the oven, it'll all come to terms.
Yeah.
Don't want this.
Honey garlic.
Oh, you can smell the garlic.
Oh, I can smell it all.
And
it smells good.
The honey. Look at that jellylicious.
Chicken wings for breakfast. Can't get any better than that.
We're going to be taking it out to the garden. We have a lot of work yet to do today. Yep. And if we stay in the house, it isn't going to get done, guys. So, because I know us, I need a teaspoon. I've got a tablespoon and a half in here. Where's that whisk? Andy made me
What is that thing?
because he didn't want it near him.
Disgusting.
I'm only going to try a teaspoon because it's such a small amount, right? Most of it stuck to the meat.
Mansell would have had that done by now.
Oh, then you should have done it. Because we got so much to do outside. Let's see. Turn it up a wee bit. There we go. I just want to thicken it slightly.
Okay.
I don't want to. And I'm doing it all in one pan. I'm just going to put the wings in here.
It'd be good.
Oh, smell.
I can smell it.
Oh. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Nice and thick, eh?
Yeah. Turn the heat off. Put the wings in.
Oh, boy.
And I'm just going to gently
You wouldn't have to switch tools with a man tool. You would have had the same one. Would have done the whole job.
I'm putting these in the oven, guys, and I'll bring you right back.
Okay.
Took the meat out, put it on the plate.
Look at that.
How long was it in the oven? 10 minutes?
Yep, 10 minutes.
Preheated oven, mind you. Let's be real. Look at that.
Look at that.
Isn't
Beautiful.
that... Do you want ranch dressing for your veg?
Not me. I'm good. Okay. Let's taste these. Oh.
You made them.
Oh, came right
Off the bone. Yeah, next time we're not going to pre-cook.
Yeah. Oh, they are good.
Are they? Can you taste its honey
Oh,
garlic?
yeah. Oh, yeah.
Finger looking good.
They are. Very much.
How'd the honey manage with the canning
Good.
process? Good? Is this a do-over?
Yeah,
Are we
you
going to
can
do
this
them
again?
again?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
This is easy.
Actually, you can do them again because
I can.
he can. He cans.
These are good.
Oh, they are good. I can smell the garlic and honey. That's cool that it ended up like that. We're going to cut back. We doubled the recipe.
Yep.
And we added the double of soya. We're going to cut it back to half the soya
Yeah.
for a double recipe next time.
They're good.
I know. So let's get out to the garden and enjoy our little plate platter.
Don't rush me. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget that notification bell. Ding, 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 ding.
Over here.
Right where I said it was. And we'll see you next video.